already. So we're going to try a new one. And these are those spark gaps. They're in vacuum. Alright. And I put two together this time. We're going to take a string and we're going to tape the string to the ceiling here. First time doing this. And let's go ahead and get a couple more wrappings. Alright, we got it hanging. The amazing thing is, one, not hanging, because I haven't hanged it yet, this is the first time. I use a piece of wood and it gets the wood real hot, but plasma just shows up because it's not leaning on the glass. This is a dielectric, this is all metal, this is all grounded, so it's absorbing all the microwaves and it's pulling it into ground, and it's in a dielectric here. So let's go ahead and turn this sucker on. A minute. Look at that, plasma showing up in the middle. Plasma, guys. In vacuum. Riddle me this, Batman. I have a million more experiments. I'm experimenting the heck out of it, and I don't want to keep like putting every experiment because I don't have video on. But this is a new one that I just did, but I already did the single. But plasma is showing up here, and it's not connected to anything, so it's in free space. And remember, these are in vacuum. So I got a whole world of ideas here. Let's get that spinning now. Pretty damn cool, guys. Leave your comments. Plasma in vacuum being created by microwave.